Hello children, this is Ipshita Gangopadhyay, teacher from Trinity International School. Students, already in our previous video, we have discussed about the exercises of the first chapter in physics, that is matter. Students, we have already completed up to the exercise, that is at length differentiate between the following. So, we have already completed up to the part B. Today we will discuss about the rest two parts, that is C and D part of the exercise on page number 9. Let us start with question number C. Read the given experiment to show molecules have a very small size carefully. Identify the incorrect part of the process. So, in this paragraph, you have been given with an experiment and you have to go through the experiment very carefully, and wherever you can find the incorrect words or incorrect part, that you have to correct it. Okay, so we will start with reading the experiment. Take 3 to 4 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in 50 ml of water in a steel beaker A. Okay, now a deep red colored solution is obtained. So in this line here, the word deep red color is the incorrect word, because whenever you are dissolving potassium permanganate, you are not getting red color. It should be purple color. So here mark this as the incorrect word and you can write here purple color. Okay, I am writing here purple. Okay, so purple colored solution is obtained. So whenever you are writing in your notebook, you should write first the incorrect statement, then write the correct one. So take 3 to 4 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in 50 ml of water in a steel beaker A. A deep purple colored solution is obtained. Okay, so mark the incorrect word and write purple over here. Go to second statement. Take 10 ml of the obtained solution and add it in another beaker containing 40 ml of kerosene. Due to this, the clear water turns purple but lighter than the previous case. Now, if you are going through these statements, you can see take 10 ml of the obtained solution, means the solution which is obtained in the first step, and add it to another beaker containing 40 ml of kerosene. So, kerosene is not of any use. Here, this is the incorrect word. Here, you should write water. Okay. So here you should write water. Kerosene is the incorrect word. Write water. Due to this, the clear water turns purple but lighter than the previous case. Okay. So in this statement, what you have to do is the solution which is formed in the first step has to be taken, and this should be transferred to another beaker containing water, not kerosene. Okay, so it should be water. So this is the second incorrect word what you found. Then due to this, the clear water turns purple but lighter than the previous case. Okay, now go to the third step. Now take 10 ml of colored water from beaker B and add it to another beaker C containing 40 ml of water. The water in beaker C turns colored and darker in shade. So here the incorrect word will be this, darker. So as you are transferring the colored water from one beaker to another beaker, the color automatically becomes lighter in shade. Okay, so here the word darker is the incorrect word. You should make it lighter. Okay, more lighter. So A beaker will have the most colored purple colored solution, then it will be light, then it will be lighter. Okay, so here the third word is your darker word should be corrected as lighter. Okay, so you can get 3 words that is incorrect in this experiment. One is the red color, that should be a purple, and here the kerosene should be corrected with the word water, and darker word should be corrected with lighter. Okay, so 3 words you have to correct it. Then if you are correcting all these words, then you will find the experiment is going to show you how molecules have a very small size. Okay, so with this we complete off with the C part. Then we will go to our D part, that is answer in detail. Okay, for answer in detail you have to mark the answer in your textbook and then you have to write it in your notebook, because you have to answer it in details. So the answers will be much longer. Okay, so just mark the answer from whatever I am discussing with you. So take out your pencil and mark the answers for each question. Answer in detail. First question is, write a short note on molecules. So you are going to write a short note on molecules. So for your first answer, you have to go to page number 2. Page number 2, go for the topic molecules. आप पेज नंबर 2 पे देखिए, फर्स्ट आंसर आपको मैं मार्किंग करा रही हूँ. देखिए, first answer is your molecules. Okay, so you have to write the short note on molecules. So mark from the first line you have to write, that is, an English chemist John Dalton experimentally found that matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. 2 or more atoms are combined to form a molecule. A molecule is the smallest unit of matter which can exist independently and retains all its physical and chemical properties. A molecule can either be made of the same type of atoms like molecule of oxygen O2 and molecule of hydrogen H2, or different types of atoms like the water molecule H2O and carbon dioxide molecule CO2. The size of the atoms and molecule is very small. It is very difficult to observe them even with a powerful microscope. So up to this you have to write the answer for answer number 1. Okay, so this is the first answer, you are going to write it. Now second question, state important characteristics of molecules of matter. For answer number 2, you can again go for page number 2 and you have been given with characteristics of molecules. Okay, so you have to write characteristics of molecule. Then your first point is molecules are very small in size. So up to this you have to write. Then go to the second point. Go to the second point on page number 3. You have second point, molecules have spaces between them. So up to this you are going to write. Okay, for the second point you just have to write up to this. If you want you can write this statement also, but if you don't write, it's okay. Now go for the third point. Third point is molecules are constantly moving. Molecules are never at rest. They are in constant motion. By random motion we mean that the molecules are in zigzag motion rather than moving along a fixed path. Okay, up to this is your third point. Now see, up to this is your third point. Now your fourth point is molecules attract each other. That is, molecule always show attraction towards each other. Due to attraction the molecules are found together. This force of attraction, up to this you can write. Okay, if you want this line also you can write. Okay, up to this is okay, will do. So for second question, that is characteristics of molecules, you have to write 4 points. That is, molecules are very small in size is the first point. Second point is molecules have spaces between them. Then molecules are constantly moving. And the last point is molecules attract each other. Okay, so 4 points you have to write for the characteristics of molecule. Okay, now your third question is give the characteristics of solids. Okay, third question is give the characteristics of solids. So for this answer, go to page number 5. Page number 5, you have, see here, solids have the following characteristics. यहाँ पे solid दिख रहा है आपको, यहाँ पे देखिए ये full है, ये भी लिख सकते हो. तो ये देखिए ये full. This is all your from here to the last point here. Okay. This is the, so your third question is answer from here. Solids have the following characteristics to the last point, that is solids are hard and rigid but can be beaten either into sheets or into powdered form. Okay, so up to this you are going to write the answer for third question. Now fourth question is again give the characteristics of liquids. So again come to page number 5. You have liquids have the following characteristics. Okay, from here up to here. So this is the answer 4 for you. Fifth question, give the characteristics of gases. For this, come to page number 6. Page number 6, and you have again the characteristics of gases. See here, gases have the following characteristics. Gases are not at all rigid. Okay, so up to this is your characteristics for gases, and this is your answer 5. Now your last question is write a short note on change in states of matter with the help of an example. For the answer 6th, come to page number 6. You have changes in state of matter, the topic. Okay, so from this part up to this you have to write. Then you have to go to the next page, and up to last line, that is condensation, you are going to write. You have to show the diagram as well. ये भी आएगा आपका आंसर 6th में, डायग्राम भी आएगा और ये फुल पैराग्राफ आएगा यहाँ तक. ठीक है, So answer 6 is from here. You have to write from here. Turn your page and then you have to write up to here, answer 6th. And you have to draw this diagram also. It is very easy to draw. So draw this also because it is told to write the example as well. Okay. Now you have page number 11 with review your learning. So this is the exercise for you. You are given with all the statements. You have to write answer in one word. Suppose first one is anything that occupies space and has mass is what? Matter. Okay, like that you have to search for the words for these statements. Then you have true or false. Then wherever you get the false statement, just make it correct. Okay, you have the match the columns. Already we did all these things. Okay, and again you have explained the terms. This also we did it. Then answer the following questions. So what is matter? With the help of activity show that molecules have a very small size. This thing we have already done. ये जो आंसर है ये अभी हम लोग ने सी पार्ट में किया था, वही आंसर आपको एक्टिविटी लिखना है. ठीक है, तो उसमें क्या लिखना है आपको? डेफिनेशन ऑफ मैटर लिखना है और आपको जो एक्टिविटी हम लोग अभी किए थे एक्सरसाइज में सी पार्ट में, वही एक्टिविटी आपको यहाँ लिखना है. ठीक है, व्हाट इज डिफ्यूजन? एक्सप्लेन द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल. दिस ऑल्सो वी हैव शोन यू. Okay, then characteristics of solids. Now we did for the last question. Differentiate also we did, isn't it? Write a note on changes in states of matter. All the questions we have already discussed in our exercise. So with this we end up with the chapter matter. Thank you.